Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great little travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center. Just traded for this little 2016 Shasta Oasis. This is the 18 FQ. People traded this in on a brand new Prowler, and only been used a few times since new. As a matter of fact, they told me it's still got the original tank of propane in it that was on it when they bought it. Well, they bought it brand new back in 2016, so it's only been used a handful of times. Nice little camper, good little basic small camper. It weighs 3,150 pounds, so be an easy tow. It's got the power, it's got the upgrade power awning. Got a water heater. Got stabilizer jack, spare tire on the back, of course never been off of it. Tires look like new. This thing's just been used for local camping, folks. Deep cycle battery and bottle in the front. Got the diamond plating. Of course, I've got it hooked up to power. Got the air conditioner on. Got a refrigerator. It's be an easy little tow, folks, and this is something you can tow with a smaller SUV or a minivan with no problem, as long as it's within your towing capacity, of course. Corners aren't beat up. I don't see any scratches, dings, or dents on it. Let's look inside this little Shasta Oasis. It's roughly about 21.5 feet long, counting the tongue, and like I said, it weighs 3,150 pounds, and cool, that air feels good. Alrighty, folks, step inside. There's no carpet in here. It's got linoleum floors. Not a bad little old camper, folks. Good floor plan, front queen, rear bathroom. It's kind of ironic, you know, for those of you who follow my channel, you know we just recently started carrying new Prowler LXs. These folks that traded this in, I sold them a 2019 Prowler 25 LX with a lot more equipment than this, power jacks and all that stuff, and a bigger camper with tandem axles, and I sold it to them for $1,200 less than they paid for this little 18 FQ Oasis back in 2016. So crazy. But anyway, folks, I've got it at a bargain, only $9,850. Look over here, you've got a Queen Island bed. Stationary bed. There's storage underneath the bed. The camper has no odors to it, no smoke, no pet odors, nothing like that. Like I said, it's got the upgrade power awning. Got the three-way RV refrigerator freezer, little Dometic. Place here, you can mount a TV on the wall, or you can set one here on the counter. We can put you in a little 19-inch TV for roughly about $150 if you want one. Just let your salesperson know. 3-burner stovetop, got a microwave, Coleman air conditioner, works great. Of course, you don't need much to cool this little area off. Table booth makes a bed. Got a decent sized rear bathroom. Got the surround shower tub for kids. Medicine cabinet. Got a pretty good size little storage area right here. I guess they don't waste nothing. Like I said, folks, just a clean little camper. It's very affordably priced at only $9,850. That's a haggle-free firm price. At that price, my RV techs are going to do a major RV component checkout. We're going to make sure all the RV components work great, including but not limited to your awning, your air, your fridge, on gas, electric, and battery operation. We check your water system, your propane system, your appliances, your furnace, your water heater. We make sure your table makes into a bed right. We check all your drawers, cabinets. We check the jacks. We check the tongue jack on the front, the stabilizers, and more. And we do more than just that, folks. But if you want a copy of all the systems that we inspect and repair if needed for the price you pay, contact our sales department. If you want us to add a TV or something like that, we can add a 19-inch TV. I believe parts, labor, and everything mounted to the wall, $150. Or we can do a 32-inch, which Might be a little bit overkill for 200. And we can do like a 24-inch, which for about 175. If you want any of those, let your salesperson know so he can add it to the service ticket when you buy it. After purchase, of course, we check it out. It'll take us a few days to do it, maybe a week. I don't think this thing's going to have any issues. Like I said, it's been used a handful of times. That's it. It's still got part of the original tank of propane in it that came from the factory. So, obviously, this thing shows literally no use to it whatsoever. Not a bad little camper, especially for the price, only $9,850. That's haggle-free firm. After this unit's been inspected by my RV techs and my cleaning crew gets a hold of it afterwards, my service manager will call you to set up an appointment for you to pick your camper up. And of course, once you arrive here at your appointed time, the RV tech will go through this thing with you, show you how to operate it, show you how to work everything, show you everything on it works, answer any questions you have, give you tips, tricks, and pointers. We do have your safety equipment available for purchase. Let your salesperson know, and we'll be more than happy to get you a quote on any kind of safety equipment that you need. If you want our recommendation for safety equipment, folks, contact my sales department. Tell them what kind of vehicle you're going to be towing with. Of course, as always with any towable camper, make sure you know your vehicle's towing capacity. We don't know what your vehicle can tow officially. We can guess, but we don't even do that anymore, folks, because here's the thing. You ask 10 different RV dealers what your vehicle can tow, you're going to hear 10 different answers and not a single one of them be correct. Call your tow vehicle dealer, even if it's a used one, folks. Get your VIN number. Call your local vehicle dealer. If you drive a Chevrolet, Chevy, Ford, Toyota, whatever you happen to drive, call your local dealer of that same brand. Ask for the service department, give them the VIN number, and ask them what you can tow. Owner's manual may give you a broad idea, but it's best to hear it right from the horse's mouth. And that is your vehicle dealer. And keep in mind, folks, 3,150 pounds is what this camper weighs sitting right here, right now. If you add water to it, that's going to add weight, 8.3 pounds per gallon. If you add propane, it's just going to add a little minuscule amount of weight, 20 pounds at the most. I call them 20-pound propane bottles for a reason. And any luggage, food, and personal possessions you're going to put in here, of course, is going to add to that. Very, very few people add more than 300-400 pounds to a camper this size and luggage. And most people don't really carry water unless you're going to boondock camp somewhere. In that case, then, of course, you would have to add for how many gallons of water this thing holds. If you go to my website, folks, parkwayrvcenter.com, I'll have pictures, specs, details, like how much water it holds, the different weights, and a factory brochure, as well as a factory floor plan that you can look at. And basically, our website's jam-packed full of information. Financing's available. Of course, this thing's priced where you can go to your local bank, credit union, or finance company, get a short-term loan and still get a very affordable payment at $9,850 plus sales tax. If you've got a question how much your sales tax will be, when and where you need to pay it, whether it's to us or to your county's tag office, it depends on what state you live in and how you're paying for it. Contact my sales department, 706-965-7929. And they'll get you that information, folks. Sales tax laws vary state to state. This way, find out for sure, and that way there's no surprises for anyone. Of course, it's rocking a little bit now because I don't have the stabilizers down, but once they're down, it doesn't rock like this. $9,850, haggle-free firm. Plus, you get 21 nights of free camping, up to 7 nights at a time at select RV resorts nationwide. Of course, you buy you a new little camper, you're going to want to use it. So we've even got that covered, folks. And that's about $1,000 worth of free camping for free. Neat little camper. I don't have any odors in here. I don't see any signs of leaks. Of course, it's used. I mean, there's one or two little, some of these metal blinds that may need to be bent back, but nothing to even worth mentioning. Other than that, I mean, it's practically the same as a is a brand new one for several $1,000s less. Now, I never say they're like new because there's always a cosmetic imperfection. That's why they're used even if they're 6 months old. But it's in excellent condition, folks, especially for under 10 grand. Very affordable camper. You can get a very affordable payment if you're needing to finance. We do take trade-ins. Like I said, we have your hitch safety equipment. The only thing that we cannot install, and our insurance won't let us, is a brake controller on your vehicle. And I know most of you that have later model vehicles, you probably got the factory brake controller already in there. But if you don't, pick you one up at Walmart or Amazon or eBay. You can get them put on at any truck accessory store. U-Hauls, most of those install them. Hitch places. And you can get on YouTube, folks, and do it yourself. In fact, if you've got the factory towing package and you got the plug in your vehicle it goes into, you just 2 screws to mount it under your dash, splice 4 wires together and plug it in the back of your controller. It's as easy as that. It's a 20-minute job at the most. Or pay to have it done. It's not very expensive, folks. You know, you will have to have a brake controller. That's actually the law if you don't already have one in your vehicle already. And of course, if you've got a vehicle made in the past 15, 20 years and it's got the factory tow package on it, you'll already have the round plug with a 7-way round plug with a blade style hookup, which that's what all RVs use, and that's what all vehicles in the past 15 years have been made already equipped with if it's got the factory towing package. You know, if it doesn't, of course, when you're getting your brake controller installed, go ahead and have them run you a plug to the back of your truck or SUV or van or whatever you're going to tow with. $9,850, that's haggle-free, firm. The only way we'll take any less for that, folks, is if you take option B, which is you buy this unit absolutely as it sets, the good with any potential bad. We're not going to check anything. We're not going to go over anything with you. We're not going to show you how to operate it. It's strictly a hook and book price only. If you can buy one under those conditions, but keep in mind if there's anything wrong with it, it's yours. You're 100% responsible. When you buy one as is, folks, the way that it's a legal term, you're 100% responsible once you take possession of it for any repairs that it currently needs and it will need in the future. And there's no exclusions to that rule. Very, very clear cut, so please keep that in mind. As is as is. It's not as is unless this works, or this doesn't work, or that doesn't work. It's as is. And if you want to buy option B, folks, contact my sales department. They'll give you a haggle-free price on option B, as with any used vehicle, folks. And people look at me funny when I tell them this. Never, ever buy one sight unseen. That's my personal recommendation. These are used vehicles. Please come out and look at them. Spend some time in it. Let us know you come and we'll run power to it. Crank the air up for you. Get it cooled off and your fridge cool for you. And do your own inspection of it. Get to know it a little bit. And then decide if this is the right one for you or not. I certainly appreciate the people that trust us as a dealer to buy from us sight unseen, because many of y'all may not be aware of this, but we sell a couple of 100 units a year to people we never even meet. And we're trying to unofficially get away from that because we're kind of old-fashioned. We like to shake hands with who we do business with, and we want everybody to come out, look at it, spend some time in it, get to know it a little bit before you decide if you want to buy it or not. That way there's no surprises for anyone, because one thing I've learned, folks, 22 plus years in this business, in the RV industry, in all aspects of it. One thing I've learned is one thing that makes us human is everybody's got different opinions about everything. I say this thing's a 9.5 out of 10 in condition wise. Next person that looks at it may say it's a 5 out of 10. The next person that looks at it may say it's a 12 out of 10. Everybody's got different opinions about what kind of condition a used 2016 model travel trailer is supposed to be in for them to consider buying it. And that is so true lately, folks. It's crazy. So keep that in mind. Come out, look at it. Be your own judge. Let us know. We're here to help. We don't have any commission salespeople, so you don't have to fear the sales guy like you do at other RV dealerships. We keep things simple, haggle-free, no commission salespeople, no extra fees. The price and the tax is all you pay, and that's it. unless you want anything extra like hitch work or TV or extended warranty or something like that. That's up to you. You're getting a nice little camper, only been used a handful of times. $9,850. Like I said, folks, they paid $17 for this thing, a little over $17 new for it 3 years ago. So, you know, darn near half price. $98.50, will trade. Financing available with approved credit. Nationwide delivery available. Give us a call, 706-965-7929. Numbers answered 24/7. If it's after hours, my answering service picks up. They have basic information. If they can't help you, they will get your contact info, forward it to our non-commissioned sales department. Folks, my guys are salary based only. They get paid the same whether you buy something from us or not. Keeps it simple. Keeps it where everybody works good together and everybody gets along. And that's the way our buyers prefer it, our customers, and the way our salespeople prefer it, because they know what they're going to bring home every week to their family so they can plan a budget. So that's the way everybody needs to be. I don't know why these other RV dealers still use commission salespeople. It just blows me away. Plus, it costs you more because they have to pay their salespeople 25% commission of the gross profits. So that means that dealer that has commission salespeople has to mark their units up 25% extra, costing you thousands in some cases. Give us a call. Family owned and operated since 1968. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click over to my website. Save it to your favorites, parkwayRVcenter.com. Like I said, I have a factory brochure, floor plan, specs, pictures, the video, of course, and much more. You can get your trade-in appraised online. You can get approved for financing online, and much more. And of course, all financings with approved credit, minimum 10% cash or trade equity down payment is mandatory. Thank you for watching. Give us a call, 706-965-7929. Email us, sales, SALES, at parkwayRVcenter.com. Of course, parkwayRVcenter.com. Make that your go-to for looking at RVs. I've got 140 RVs in stock, mostly used. Biggest selection in used RVs in one spot in the 500-mile area or circumference of Ringgold, Georgia. We're an hour and a half north of Atlanta, Georgia. We're 10 minutes south of Chattanooga, Tennessee. We got a lot of stuff to look at, folks. If you come visit us, it will not be a wasted trip. Very few people leave here not finding something they want to buy. So, thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.